The biggest challenge is supply chain setup and product development. I think product development is a bit easier because you can add a couple of components into your product development and create circular products. So how easy is it to disassemble or decompose after use? You need to look into the material that you use, so it's more regenerative material, so you can actually reproduce new products from that material. Most retailers, big retailers, are leveraging their volume in their supply chain. And then you grow a bit more, you sell a bit more, you have higher volume, you negotiate prices with suppliers, you keep the low cost supply chain, and you can have a good price and a good margin towards the customer. With the new model here, you will use the same products several times. So in that way, you're losing some leverage in your supply chain, which is a big thing for any retailer to do. So this is the space where you really need to think how you go about to create that circular model and how you actually relate to the customer and the retail part of your business. So that's a big decision, big thing to really work through in any company to do it. The third one, I think, is the digital backbone of companies, where most of them have a digital setup, buy and sell. And it's optimized towards buy and sell. And if you introduce a new model into that system and infrastructure, it will disturb you, it will sort of create chaos and so on. So that's where I think it's really, really good to go externally. When you build it up, you try there, you pilot it, you learn, you capture data, and then if you see the benefits of it and if you see the growth, integrate. So I would say that is the biggest challenges in moving towards a circular business model. There's some pretty big decisions to take in any company to go there. I think it's inevitably so that every company needs to go there. Not because they want to, because they need to, because the consumers and the customers will require them to go there. And in the end, it's about the convenience. Consumers are looking for convenience. This model is providing them with convenience, a convenience level that is much higher than they have today.